Olá pessoal, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue with our series of videos on basic prepositions. We've already looked at two other prepositions, the prepositions para and por. And today's video is all about the preposition em. But before we look at how and when to use this preposition, an important note on pronunciation. It's pronounced em, so a very nasal sound there, not em. With that out of the way, let's see the main uses of this preposition. It's largely used to indicate location, and it can be translated into English sometimes as in, at, or on. For example, eu moro em Londres, na Inglaterra. You can practice your pronunciation as we go along. I'll leave some time after each example. So this one once more. Eu moro em Londres, na Inglaterra. Here the preposition em is contracted with the feminine definite article a, literally translating as in the England, na Inglaterra, because a general rule is that countries take the definite article. We will see more about the contractions a bit later on in the video. Another example. Estou no trabalho. Here the preposition em is contracted with the masculine definite article or forming no. Another example, o jantar está na mesa. So here the preposition em is translated as on. As a preposition of movement, em can be translated as into or onto. An example, eu subi na moto. Another example, entra no carro. Now, in colloquial speech, the preposition em can be used to express to when we refer to local places where we normally go and stay for a short period of time. Eu vou na academia todos os dias. Grammatically speaking, the right preposition to use in this context will be the preposition a. Eu vou à academia todos os dias. But we'll look at the preposition a at another time. It sounds a little bit more formal. As I said, in colloquial speech, it's very common for Brazilians to use em as to when we refer to local places. One more time this example. Eu vou na academia todos os dias. So one more example, still with em meaning to. Preciso ir no banheiro. However, the grammar says that you should really say preciso ir ao banheiro. That would be the grammatically correct way of saying this, with the preposition a plus a definite article or ao, but very common in colloquial speech for Brazilians to say instead preciso ir no banheiro. The preposition em is also used as in relation to years, months, and seasons. Let's see an example used with a year. O Brasil declarou sua independência em 1822. Now an example with a season. Faz muito frio em Londres no inverno. And an example with a month. O meu aniversário é em dezembro. The preposition em is also used with days of the week. When in English we would use on, in Portuguese we use em. Na sexta vou trabalhar e no sábado vou descansar. Days of the week in Portuguese, they take the definite article from Monday to Friday. They are feminine nouns. That's why we're saying na sexta. And sábado e domingo, they are masculine nouns. So that's why we're saying no sábado. The preposition em is also used with dates. O Natal é comemorado no dia 25 de dezembro. Notice that with dates, you need to follow the preposition with the word dia. So, no dia is literally on the day. And then you have the actual date. Now, let's see some common verbs that are used with the preposition em. The verb pensar, to think. Estou pensando em você. The verb insistir, to insist. Você insiste em fazer tudo ao mesmo tempo. And the verb acreditar, to believe. Você ainda acredita em Papai Noel? Now that we've seen the main uses of the preposition em, let's see how it merges with some other words. Let's start with the definite articles. No, nos, na, nas. With the indefinite articles, num, nuns, numa, numas. With demonstrative pronouns, nesse, nesses, nessa, nessas. Neste, nestes, nesta, nestas. Naquele, naqueles, naquela, naquelas. With isto, it becomes nisto. And with isso, it becomes nisso. And with aquilo, it becomes naquilo. With the pronouns ele, ela, and their plural forms, nele, neles, nela, nelas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, show your support by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you'd like to practice your writing, write a sentence with the preposition em in the comments, and I'll give you my feedback. Muito obrigado, pessoal. Até a próxima.